Here are some of the most commonly used network ports, along with their associated services or protocols. Port 20 and 21 are used for FTP, with port 21 serving as the control port for commands and port 20 for data transfer. Port 22 is used for SSH, which allows secure remote login, command execution, and file transfer through SFTP and SCP. Port 23 is used for Telnet, which is for unencrypted remote login, though it's not recommended due to security concerns. Port 25 is used for SMTP, which sends emails from a client to a mail server or between mail servers. Port 53 is used for DNS, resolving domain names to IP addresses. Port 80 is used for HTTP, which handles non-secure web traffic. Port 110 is for POP3, allowing email client to retrieve emails from a mail server. Port 153 is used for IMAP, which helps email clients retrieve and manage emails on a mail server. Port 443 is for HTTPS, securing web traffic by encrypting data between the web server and the browser. Port 3389 is used for RDP, enabling remote desktop connections to Windows systems. Ports 161 and 162 are for SNMP, with port 161 used for SNMP agents and port 162 for SNMP traps. Port 69 is used for TFTP, which facilitates simple file transfers, often for network booting. Port 119 is for NNTP, allowing reading and posting of newsgroup articles. Port 445 is used for Microsoft Directory Services and SMB over TCP. Port 514 is for Syslog, logging messages from devices to a central Syslog server. Ports 5060 and 5061 are for SIP, with port 5060 for non-encrypted communications and port 5061 for encrypted communications using TLS. Port 5432 is used for PostgreSQL database management, while port 3306 is for MySQL database connections. Port 88 is commonly used as an alternative to port 80 for web servers, often for testing or non-standard services. These are just a few of the most commonly used ports, and each one serves a specific role in facilitating communication over a network. Many other ports are used for specialized purposes in different protocols and applications.